making test today. We are going to make honey toast for you all to see.
The dish we are making today is come from the land of the rising sun, Japan.
First, preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius.
Then slide the top of the toast into cubes. Be careful not slide the way to will apart.
We need to have the melted butter and piece it to the bread.
Yeah, nice. We'll spread the melted butter on.
Next, put your toast into an oven.
Oh, okay. Just like I was showing with Minky earlier, right? Okay.
What about this one?
This one goes over the top like that. And I'll show you guys an old editing trick. We're gonna do that one more time. So while we're waiting for the honey toast to cook, why don't we review really, really quickly? Where does honey toast come from?
Honey toast come from
It comes from Japan. And what are the ingredients for honey toast? We have
the ingredients of honey toast.
Oven.
We have a bread, we have honey, we have butter, we have
Whipped cream.
some whipped cream, fruits, and marshmallows, chocolate.
wow. Brown, what do you think the texture of the honey toast will be when it comes out of the oven? Will it be soft, crunchy, crispy?
I think it's
Crunchy. Some of them are soft.
Nice. Okay, everybody, I've got an oven mitt. I'm gonna ask Minky. Minky, will you take the oven or the honey toast out of the oven for us? So, chefs, what is our next step? What do we need to do after we pull the honey toast out of the oven?
We need to have some toppings to decorate over the bread.
Okay, what are those toppings?
Those toppings are ice creams, fruits, jams, sauces, whipped cream, powder, ice cream emoji. For watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye.
Everybody say goodbye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
สนใจคอร์สเรียนภาษาอังกฤษ สแกน QR Code หรือแอดไลน์ @Coaching English หรือโทร 099 331 1177